Most people think AI learned to see by bolting image recognition onto a chatbot. That's not what happened. The real shift was stranger and more elegant than that. Here's what most explainers miss. When people hear multimodal AI, they picture two separate systems. One that reads text, one that looks at pictures, duct-taped together. But that framing is wrong, and it hides the actual breakthrough. Modern multimodal models don't switch between understanding text and understanding images. They do both in the same breath, using the same machinery. And the trick that makes it work is almost absurdly simple in principle. Everything becomes tokens. You already know that language models chop sentences into tokens, small pieces of text turned into numbers. The insight behind multimodal models is do the same thing to images. Take a photograph, slice it into a grid of small patches. Say 16 by 16 pixels each, and run each patch through a vision encoder. That encoder is a neural network trained to convert raw pixels into dense numerical representations, the same kind of numerical vectors that words get turned into. Once an image patch and a word both exist as vectors in the same space, the model can process them with the same attention mechanism. No special image mode, no switching gears. But getting those vectors to actually mean the same thing across modalities, that's the hard part. This is called cross-modal alignment. During training, the model sees millions of image-text pairs. A photo of a golden retriever labelled a dog playing fetch. It learns to push the image representation and the text representation closer together in that shared vector space. Over time, dog, the word, and a dog in a photograph land near each other, not because the model was told a rule, but because it saw enough examples to learn the pattern. And this is where the training data challenge gets real. You need not just millions, but hundreds of millions of paired examples. Images with captions, audio with transcripts, video with descriptions, to teach these cross-modal connections. The quality and diversity of those pairs shape what the model can actually understand. The practical result, when you paste a chart into a conversation and ask what it means, the model isn't running a separate image tool. It's reasoning across the pixels and your question simultaneously, in one unified pass. That's the shift everyone underestimated. If that was useful, subscribe, new explainer every week. I'm Ariella.